be showing you how to crochet this beautiful puff stitch beaded strip. To begin the work, make a slip knot. Then take the loom, wrap the yarn around the right prong. Crochet hook is in the front, working yarn runs behind. Try to work closer to the center. With the hook, take the working yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. We began the work. Now turn to continue. Point your hook downwards, pass it through the loom to the back, and rotate the loom clockwise. Then single crochet into the front of the left loop. Now I will crochet the puff stitch. For this, repeat yarn over and pull up a loop 6 times. The puff stitch, I'll be working around the whole loop, inserting the hook in 2 strands. Let's begin. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 1, continue, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last time 6. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook except the last one. Here we have 2 loops on the hook. Do not tighten the loops, so our puff stitch will have a rectangle shape. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete the puff. Now to join the bead to work, I need to place a bead on the hook. Then pull this working loop through the bead, just like this. Now to continue, turn the work, pass the hook to the back. Then rotate the loom and single crochet into the front of the left loop. Single crochet is made. Now work the puff stitch again. Repeat yarn over, pull up a loop from around the loop on the left prong. Repeat 6 times. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last time 6. Then yarn over and pull through all loops except the last one. Two loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through 2. I remind you, make it little loose. Now join a bead, remove the hook, take a bead with the hook, and pull this working loop through the bead. Now you can turn the work. And here repeat the same. Single crochet into the front of the top loop that is on the left prong. And work the puff stitch around the same loop. Repeat yarn over and pull up a loop 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over, pull through all loops except the last one, then yarn over and pull through 2. Now with a crochet hook, take a bead and pull this working loop through the bead. Turn the work and repeat the same. Here, single crochet into the front of the top loop that is on the left prong. Insert the hook from the bottom to the top. Take the working yarn, pull it through, then yarn over and pull through 2. And work the puff stitch the same way. Yarn over, pull up a loop 1, yarn over, pull up a loop 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then yarn over and pull through all loops except the last one. 2 loops remain on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 to complete the puff stitch. And again, join a bead to your work. Turn the work and repeat the same. Single crochet into the front of the left loop. Single crochet is made. Now work a puff stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last time 6. Yarn over, pull through all loops except the last one. We have 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And again at this point, attach a bead to your work. For this, pull this loop through the bead and continue. Keep working the same, turn the work, single crochet into the front of the left loop, and then work the puff stitch around the same top left loop. Continue and keep working until you reach the necessary lengths. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials.